Hi, welcome back to Miss April's English. Today we're going to learn easy English phrases to help you ask for directions when you're lost or traveling. These are going to be perfect for beginners, so don't worry. Let's get started. First, we'll talk about starting the conversation in a polite way. You could use phrases such as, "Excuse me, can you help me?" It sounds very polite. Or, "Hi, I'm a little lost. Can you help me, please?" There's also, "Can you tell me how to get to," and then name your place. The restaurant, the park, the town square. Next, here are some common questions you could ask when you're looking for a place. Where's the nearest bus stop? How do I get to the train station? Is it far from here? Can I walk there? Which way is the museum? Again, you can replace the name with anything. Which way is the hotel, the restaurant, the park? You get the idea. Now let's look at some keywords that will help you understand the answers you might hear. For example, go straight, turn left or turn right, it's on your left or right, at the corner, next to the bank, across from the supermarket. When you're asking for directions, try to listen for these keywords and don't be afraid to ask someone to repeat what they said. Now let's look at some practice dialogue. You could practice this with a friend or repeat after me. "Excuse me, can you help me?" "Sure." "How do I get to the post office?" "Go straight, then turn right. It's next to the bank." "Thank you." "You're welcome." Alright, so now you know how to ask for directions in English. Which phrase was new for you? Your homework is to tell me in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more English tips. See you next time.